how to fix Slack status not updating. To fix the Slack status not updating error, first of all, you have to clear your status. So first things first, launch the Slack application on your device and also make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply switch to a better network. Now, once you do this, all you have to do is go ahead and then tap on your profile icon. Once you launch the application, you'll find the update your status bar over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to go ahead and select any of the status and tap save. Once you do this, if the status is not yet set, what you can do is try to clear the cache of the application. Open your device's app gallery, search for Slack application. Once you find it, go ahead and long press the icon itself, then tap on the app info panel, then access the storage and cache. Go ahead and clear the cache, and your issue should be resolved. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.